Today we are going to talk about how to make a good scene. A good scene reveals information that moves the story forward with new goals, old secrets, and hidden motives, shows conflict between characters, deepens the character's development, and creates suspense. A good scene also introduces a new wrinkle that leaves the reader and your character hanging. Making a scene is as easy as ABCD. Action, background, conflict, decision. Get your characters moving. Show movement. Make sure the reader sees action. Open with action, then place the scene in context. Background shows your lead's goal for that scene. Why are the characters in the scene? How did they arrive? What does your lead want? Background is not history. Background shows your lead's goal for that scene. Your character must want something. What is it? Conflict is the energy of a scene. Who or what stands in the way of your lead reaching his goal? Present the barrier. Include conflict on every page. Never let your lead relax. Show the struggle. Increase the risk of failure. Tension comes from unresolved conflict, so let the scene devolve into a mess. At the end of each scene, your lead must choose. A scene moves from struggle, discovery, choice, and change. Choice, not circumstances, dictate the direction of the story. In each scene your lead must find a clue or open door to thrust her forward. Present two paths and make your lead pick one. When you finish writing a scene, ask, is this scene necessary? Read the scenes before and after. Does what just happened deserve its own scene? Could the information be placed in a neighboring scene? For more information on how to write a scene, visit eddiejones.org/scenes.